Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock the Spectrum iPhone 13. The phone was just released today and I'll be showing you how to unlock it through this easy step-by-step process. Now I'm showing you this on the iPhone 13 Pro, but it will also work on the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Mini, and all other iPhone models, including any new upcoming iPhone models as well. Our Spectrum iPhone Unlock will unlock any iPhone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, contracts, leases, etc. So once the phone has been unlocked, you will be able to use it with any GSM carrier of your choice both in the US and internationally. The unlock will not affect your warranty and it will also increase the resale value of your phone. To unlock the phone, you will need your computer, it can be a Mac or PC, the latest version of iTunes, a non-allowed SIM card, which is basically a SIM that is not from your original carrier, and a USB cable. If you do not have a non-allowed SIM card, later on in the video I'll show you how to unlock the phone using no SIM card at all. Now that we have all that ready, let's begin. The first thing we will need is the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing *#06#. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI. So now that we have the IMEI number of the iPhone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order to unlock our iPhone. From the first drop-down menu, we will choose the iPhone unlocking service. After that, from the second drop-down menu, you will choose your iPhone model. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, so that's the iPhone I will be choosing. Then you will click on the Unlock Now button, at which point you'll be redirected to the iPhone product page. Once we are on the iPhone product page, then you will go ahead and choose the carrier your iPhone is locked to, such as AT&T, Sprint, Cricket, Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, etc. After that, you will enter the 15-digit IMEI number that we got in the beginning of the video. Then you will click on the Add to Cart button to go through the checkout process to complete the order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within the stated time frame informing you that your iPhone has been unlocked. The email will look like this and say Order Enclosed, and will let you know that your iPhone has been successfully factory unlocked, and it will include instructions on how to complete the unlock. We will be using the first method and unlocking the phone using iTunes and a non-allowed SIM card. Now if you do not have a non-allowed SIM, or any SIM card for that matter, then you can simply restore the iPhone as a new phone through iTunes to complete the unlock. Make sure you do not restore it just from the backup, because in order for the unlock process to be completed, the phone must be restored as a new iPhone. You can then later restore from backup or from the iCloud to get your data back. So go ahead and grab your iPhone and insert the non-allowed SIM card into the phone. My phone is locked, but I would like to use AT&T on it. So I'll be inserting my AT&T SIM card into the phone. Here's the AT&T SIM card. Once the SIM card has been inserted into the phone, grab the USB cable and connect one end to the computer and the other end into the iPhone. Now that we have the iPhone connected to the computer, open up iTunes and wait for iTunes to detect the iPhone. Once iTunes detects the iPhone, you'll get the following message saying, "Congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked." So that's it. The phone is now permanently factory unlocked, and you can restore, upgrade, or do anything else to the phone, and the phone will remain unlocked. As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so that means the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to unlock your iPhone and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if the video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.